Hello. In this video we will demonstrate how to launch MOSAIC Multiviewer client and server in the cloud on Amazon AWS. The server generates a multiviewer stream that can be accessed through SRT. You need the client to configure this multiviewer layout and to enter your own stream URLs. Let's first launch the MOSAIC server. Search for Dualz in the AWS Marketplace. Select MOSAIC Pro Server instance and launch that. In another video we explain how to launch Dualz products in the cloud. For the MOSAIC server, we recommend a GPU-enabled instance type like G3.4x large. Go to the EC2 instance list and select the instance you just launched. We need the IP address, so let's copy that into the clipboard. If you want to see the multiviewer stream, you need a local SRT player. In this demo we use FFplay that was compiled with SRT support. Fill in the server's IP address. Let's start FFplay now. As you can see, the multiviewer stream shall be shown. This can be done on any device and from anywhere. Let's now launch the MOSAIC client in order to configure the multiviewer layout and source streams. The MOSAIC client does not need a large instance type. T2 medium shall be enough. Connect to the client and log in using RDP. Open the README file in order to see the instructions how to use MOSAIC client. You can run the MOSAIC client application via the shortcut on the desktop. You need to fill in the server's IP address in the management IP field in order to make the connection. For further instructions on how MOSAIC software works, you can read the manuals or have a look at the tutorial videos on our website dualz.com.